guys, welcome to day number 9 of my 75 soft challenge. So I slept for about 7ish hours, so I hit the sleep goal, and I'm shooting this one day after day number 9. The reason is because yesterday I came back home, I was so tired. I was so tired, I could not pick the camera and talk, so I'm doing that right now. So yesterday I also tried to eat clean, but then raat ko we had gulab jamun outside, so I kind of went off the wagon on the food side of things. But everything else was clean. Breakfast was clean, lunch was clean. So breakfast me, I had neer dosa yesterday with kobri chutney, which is coconut chutney. This is a very nice South Indian meal which I absolutely love, and they'd made it at home. For lunch, I had chapati too, and I had some sabji on the side. And for dinner is when we'd gone outside, so we had like a couple of things like roti and sabji, and I also had gulab jamun. In the evening, we went to watch Project Hail Mary, so we had food at the theaters. We had nachos, which was okay, it was baked, but the problem arose when I had fries. Fries was fried, so I kind of went off the wagon there as well. That was about the food side. Movement, yesterday I finally hit the gym, and I'm so grateful to my dad for that because he kept pushing me and finally I made it. So at the gym I worked out like 30 minutes of treadmill walking at speed 4.5, incline 2, and then I reduced the incline. No, first was speed 4 and incline 2, and then I made it incline 1 with speed 4.5, which was for 30 minutes, like I said. And then I also did cycling. Cycling was for about 15 minutes with intensity 2. That was it, 45 minutes of workout. And then I went to visit my granddad, my dada basically. I spoke to him, came back home, and then we went for the movies. So, yes, food done, that is eating and sleep. Water, I had about 2 liters. I didn't hit the water goal. I know I could have done better, but I also had like Dive Plus vitamin water. I think it's counted or not, I don't know. If it's counted, then you'll have it about 2.25 to 2.5 liters of water. That's about the water side of things. Yesterday, I did not upskill. I know it's taking a very back wala seat. I'll work on that today for sure. Then housework, I did housework. I broomed the house, which was an extra task for me yesterday. I dusted the furniture. I mopped the god room. Angan mom did it yesterday because she was cleaning the plants and everything and changing or repotting the soil. So she did it, but I did all of the other stuff. So it's a win on the housework side. So I covered almost everything. Me time. I think me time yesterday was more of watching movies, spending time with family, having a good talk. That was a me time. I didn't get any chance to journal and stuff, but yesterday was also one of those days where I did so much of editing and everything. So that thing wise, it was great. And that's it for this particular update of day number 9. I'll see you on day 10. Until then, take care and comment down and let me know how it's going for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.